Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating an index folder in Server Script Service and a module script named Index Module inside it. This gives you a central registry. Once created, open Module Script and immediately return an empty table to serve as the index. Next, create a loader script that requires Index Module so the game initializes the registry on server start. This approach avoids scattered references and makes it easy to register functions or data later. It also ensures consistent access across server scripts. Now implement registration functions in Index Module. Add register, name, value, and get name. When a script needs to expose functionality, have it require Index Module and call register with a clear key. Store either function references or configuration tables so consumers can call those directly, which keeps dependencies inverted. Once done, update consumers to call Index Module. Get key instead of requiring modules directly. This reduces load-order issues and makes swapping implementations simple and safe. To finish, add validation. Assert when registering duplicate or nil keys and provide unregister for cleanup during game iterations. Then run the server in Play Solo and verify all required keys resolve with Index Module. Get log clear messages on missing entries. If something breaks, check that scripts require the same Index Module instance and that load order doesn't create nil registrations. Troubleshooting tip: if a key is nil, enable detailed logs and confirm the registering script ran before the consumer, often a timing or placement issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.